70% of all the generic drugs in the world are made by only 3 manufacturers, and 80% are made by only 5 manufacturers. And so there's a limited number of companies that are making all of the generic drugs across all therapeutic areas for the entire world. And they have a very thin profit margin on many of these drugs, and they have to make tough decisions when a manufacturing problem develops in terms of whether to try to fix that problem or whether to just stop making that particular drug. And one of the reasons that the generic drug user fees are so important to the FDA is that they have a 2-year backlog in reviewing applications to improve. They have a 2-year backlog in reviewing applications to approve new generic drug manufacturers. Because a company can't just decide to flip a switch and start making a drug that they are not approved to produce by FDA. There's a review process that's entailed. And the generic drug user fees hopefully will give resources to the FDA if they're not put off limits by the sequester, to staff up to reduce the review times for those applications from new manufacturers. And I think their goal is to get it down to no more than 6 months.